Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most important sedans in the world, the 2026 Toyota Camry. This car has always been known for reliability, comfort, and strong resale value. But the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. Toyota has clearly worked hard to modernize the Camry while keeping the qualities that made it a global bestseller. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family driver, or someone who simply wants a stylish and efficient sedan, this Camry is designed to impress right from the moment you see it. Asterisk as you approach the 2026 Toyota Camry. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold and confident front design. Toyota has given the Camry a sharper and more aggressive face compared to the previous generation. The grille is wider and more sculpted, giving the car a sporty yet premium appearance. Depending on the trim, you get different grille patterns, with higher trims featuring a gloss black or mesh-style finish that adds a more performance-oriented vibe. The headlights are slim, sleek, and fully LED, stretching back toward the fenders for a more dynamic look. These headlights not only look modern but also provide excellent visibility at night. The daytime running lights are neatly integrated, giving the front end a high-tech signature that makes the Camry instantly recognizable on the road. The hood has strong character lines that flow smoothly into the grille, making the car look lower and wider even when it's standing still. Asterisk moving along the side. The 2026 Camry continues to impress with its clean and elegant profile. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, creating a perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness. Toyota has slightly refined the proportions, making the car feel more planted and aerodynamic. The side mirrors are body-colored with integrated turn signals. And on higher trims, you also get features like power folding and heating. The door handles sit flush and feel solid, adding to the premium feel. Alloy wheels come in different designs and sizes depending on the trim, with sportier versions getting larger wheels that really enhance the overall stance of the car. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving the Camry a coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing rear headroom. Overall, the side view of the 2026 Camry looks mature, stylish, and perfectly suited for both city driving and long highway cruises. Asterisk at the back. The 2026 Toyota Camry looks just as refined. The taillights are redesigned with a slimmer, more horizontal layout that makes the car appear wider. These LED taillights have a sharp light signature that looks great both day and night. The trunk lid is neatly sculpted, with subtle lines that add depth and character without being too flashy. The Toyota badge sits proudly in the center, while the Camry lettering is clean and modern. The rear bumper has been redesigned as well, giving the car a sportier and more planted look. On higher trims, you may notice dual exhaust outlets or chrome accents that add a touch of luxury. The trunk opening is wide and practical, making it easy to load luggage, groceries, or travel bags. Overall, the rear design completes the Camry's elegant yet confident exterior presence. Asterisk. Now let's step inside the 2026 Toyota Camry, where you'll immediately notice a big upgrade in quality, technology, and comfort. The cabin feels more modern and driver-focused than ever before. Toyota has used better materials across the dashboard, door panels, and center console, giving the interior a more premium feel. Soft-touch surfaces are used in key areas, and depending on the trim, you can get leather or high-quality fabric seats with stylish stitching. The dashboard design is clean and uncluttered with a large touchscreen infotainment system placed high for better visibility. This screen supports the latest version of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless in higher trims, making it super easy to connect your smartphone. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is clear, customizable, and packed with useful driving information. Asterisk, the steering wheel feels comfortable in hand and comes with mounted controls for audio, phone, and cruise control. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, making long drives very comfortable. Front seats offer power adjustment, heating, and ventilation on higher trims, which is a big plus in both hot and cold weather. In the back, passengers get plenty of legroom and headroom, making the Camry a great choice for families or people who often travel with passengers. Rear air vents, USB charging ports, and comfortable seat cushioning ensure that everyone enjoys the ride. The overall cabin insulation is excellent, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum and creating a calm driving environment. Asterisk when it comes to performance. The 2026 Toyota Camry continues to focus on smoothness, efficiency, and reliability. Toyota offers the Camry with multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The standard engine is a refined four-cylinder that delivers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting and city driving. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, and the transmission shifts seamlessly, providing a relaxed driving experience. For those who want better fuel economy, the hybrid version of the Camry is a standout option. It offers impressive mileage without compromising on performance, making it one of the best choices in its segment for eco-conscious drivers. Asterisk, the suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. While still maintaining good handling and stability at higher speeds, steering feels light and precise, making the Camry easy to drive in tight city streets and parking situations. On the highway, the car feels stable and confident, with excellent straight-line tracking and minimal body roll during cornering. Toyota has also equipped the 2026 Camry with its latest safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more, all working together to provide a safer and more stress-free driving experience. Asterisk, now let's talk about pricing, which has always been one of the Camry's strongest points. The 2026 Toyota Camry is expected to be competitively priced, making it excellent value for money. The base model offers a great set of features at an affordable price, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. As you move up the trims, you get more luxury, advanced technology, and premium materials, but the price remains reasonable compared to rivals in the same segment. The hybrid version may cost slightly more upfront, but the fuel savings over time make it a smart, long-term investment. Overall, the Camry continues to deliver strong value, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value, which is exactly what buyers expect from Toyota. Asterisk, in terms of suggestions, the 2026 Toyota Camry is an excellent choice if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and modern sedan. It's perfect for families, professionals, and even first-time car buyers who want peace of mind. If fuel efficiency is your top priority, the hybrid version is highly recommended. If you enjoy a slightly sportier look and feel, consider higher trims with larger wheels and upgraded interior features. While the Camry may not be the most aggressive or performance-focused sedan in its class, it makes up for that with outstanding reliability, comfort, and overall balance. Asterisk, to wrap things up, the 2026 Toyota Camry proves once again why it remains one of the most popular sedans in the world. With its refreshed exterior design, upgraded interior, smooth performance, advanced safety features, and competitive pricing, it continues to set the standard in the mid-size sedan segment. Toyota has successfully modernized the Camry without losing its core identity, making it a smart and safe choice for a wide range of drivers. If you're considering a new sedan in 2026, the Toyota Camry should definitely be on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about the 2026 Camry in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.